If you've encountered account restrictions on Facebook, it can be quite frustrating. Account restrictions can limit your access to certain features or even suspend your account temporarily. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to fix that issue. What you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click on your menu at the bottom right. Okay, and then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna click on your profile or your name at the top left. Okay, and you're gonna see this is your profile. Then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna click the three dots next to your editing or the pencil icon, right, or editing profile, and then you're gonna be able to see multiple options, and you're gonna be able right here to see the first option, profile status. Click on it. Okay, and basically you're gonna see right here your profile status, right? And then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and see if there is any problem in or you violated any type of community guidelines. Okay, and basically what you're gonna do next, another way of doing it, you can just go ahead and click on your menu at the bottom right, click the settings gear at the top right, and you're gonna see account center or meta. Click on it, and basically in the account center or meta, you're gonna see multiple options, and basically click on the personal details, right? And basically you're gonna see right here the identity confirmation, right? And it says right here, you might be asked to provide proof of your identity, right? So you're gonna just confirm your identity and walk through the process to lift your to lift the restrictions. If you're still having the same issue of restrictions, go back to the settings or to your profile, or the menu, scroll a little bit down. You're gonna see right here settings and privacy, and you're gonna be able right here to see multiple options. Close that window. You can see help and support, and basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead and click report a problem, right? And we'll continue to report without shaking. Okay, and basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just tell them about your issue to remove the restrictions on Facebook. All right, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.